I've visited a lot of museums, but today we're about to explore one of the largest railroad museums in the United States, and it's home to one of the biggest steam locomotives ever built. If you think trains are boring, give me the next few minutes, I might change your mind. Welcome to the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Since opening in 1956, this museum has preserved more than 70 pieces of railroad equipment and over 100,000 railroad artifacts, making it one of America's premier railroad museums. Whether you're a lifelong rail fan or just curious about American history, there's something here that will grab your attention. The first thing that hits you is the size. Pictures simply don't prepare you for standing next to these massive locomotives. You can walk around many of them, peek inside several rail cars, and really appreciate how railroads transformed America. One thing visitors love is that many exhibits let you get much closer than you'd expect. Now it's time to meet the star of the museum, the legendary Union Pacific Big Boy. Built to haul enormous freight trains across the mountains, this locomotive weighs over 1 million pounds. Standing next to it makes you feel incredibly small. Every rivet, every pipe, every wheel tells a story from the golden age of steam. Take a moment to walk from the front all the way to the back. It's almost like walking alongside a moving building. Railroads weren't just about freight, they also changed the way people traveled. Many of these passenger cars let you step inside and experience what train travel looked like decades ago. From comfortable seating to elegant sleeping compartments. It's easy to imagine crossing the country before airplanes became the standard. One thing that makes this museum special is the variety. You'll see streamlined trains, electric locomotives, military equipment, and even some experimental designs that were decades ahead of their time. Each exhibit tells a different chapter in the railroad history. Don't rush through. Look at the old signs, dining car details, control panels, and engineering that made these machines work. Sometimes the smallest details tell the biggest stories. If you're visiting during the warmer months, don't miss the seasonal train ride around the museum grounds. I came expecting to see a few old trains, but I left with a whole new appreciation for how railroads shaped America. Whether you're traveling through Green Bay or planning a Wisconsin road trip, this museum is absolutely worth adding to your list. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Wisconsin adventures, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite train or transportation museum. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.